In the midst of the vast and tranquil Brazilian countryside stands a house that does not seek luxury, but celebrates the essence of everyday life in its purest form. Not a house with flashy decorations, but an architectural statement that places the relationship between humans and nature at the heart of everything. It invites us to live more slowly, more consciously, and closer to the natural elements that are often overlooked. The design blurs the boundaries between inside and out. There are no high walls to block the view, only the flow of air and light that moves freely between the spaces. Yet the home maintains its privacy with a careful division of space. The bedrooms are set apart, creating private, quiet areas that are private and private. The house is built on the principle of honest simplicity. Materials such as red brick, exposed concrete, and wood are used without any attempt to hide their texture. It is precisely from this honesty that warmth emerges. The brick walls are arranged in a porous pattern, allowing air to move freely and the house to breathe freely, even in the heat of the tropical season. The living room is a warm and homely gathering place. With rattan chairs, wooden tables, and soft concrete surfaces, the space creates a welcoming yet simple atmosphere. It is not a showroom, but a place to share stories or simply sit quietly enjoying the tranquility of the afternoon. Next to it, the dining area blends naturally with the kitchen and outdoor garden. A long wooden table serves as a meeting point for the family, a place to share meals and moments of togetherness. There is no physical boundary between the dining table and nature, only the gentle breeze and the sound of birds accompany. Every meal here feels like a small celebration, full of simplicity and gratitude. Aguá House is not just a place to live, but also a reflection on how a home should work for us. It's not about size, it's not about technology, it's about feeling, about the comfort, serenity, and connection that comes from simplicity designed with intention. In the center of the building, an open garden is the center of life in this house. Not just a visual sweetener, but a living space that is at one with nature. Small trees and tropical plants provide coolness, creating a shady and calming microclimate. This space is like a break from the outside world, a place to breathe and feel fully present. This home reminds us that architecture is ultimately about creating a place that makes us feel at home, to nature, to ourselves, and to the very essence of life.